Guess who's back? Back again.
Funtime farts.
He's back. Tell a friend.
These chicks don't even know the name of my. The rest of the fellas get jealous, especially when I drop the beat and do my. What else could I possibly do to make noise? Two trailer park girls go. I've created a monster. Cool if you let one go. Nobody's gonna know who'd hear it. Give a little poot poot, it's okay. This looks like a job for me. Someone I'm a human, I'm a human, someone I'm a human. What I gotta do to get into you? I'm superhuman, innovator, better rubber, so they can shake it, I'm shake it, I'm devastating, more than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a little niggas levitating, never fading, and I know they hate it, so I never waiting for the day that they say I follow them, celebrate. Hi, my name is. What? My name is. My name is.
Funtime farts.
Or just let it slip.
Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous. I'm